In this video, I'm going to share with you what is the best time to shoot, what you look for when you need to shoot in terms of how to make the most out of the full day, what part of the day you should use when you're going to shoot. Hi, I'm Padna Ganesh and I welcome you to Video Excellence Lab. This is where I am sharing tons of tools and techniques and tricks for you to be able to shoot easily from anywhere, anytime. That is what my goal is, to help you with that. And do subscribe to the channel if this kind of content interests you, especially because subscription doesn't cost you anything. Also, hitting on the notification bell down there will ensure that you do not miss a future post from me. Okay, let me straight jump into this. What is the best time to shoot? The first thing you should look for is what time of the day do you feel you are most energetic? For some people it's morning, for some people it's about evening, some people are most alert when it's at night. Totally depends on you and your cycle. You should look at you definitely need energy, especially if you're doing a talking kind of a video like this. If it's a story format, of course that will have a completely different parameter as to when you can shoot. But for talking videos like this, your energy is of supreme importance. So try to either fit it in when you have your best energy, or reschedule yourself to feel the most energetic when you want to shoot. Okay, the second element that you need to consider is the light source. Now, if you intend to use natural light like I do, I mostly use natural light. Right now I have this window light coming from here and just a little additional fill light on my left. I will shoot in the day. I will not shoot in the night unless I want to specifically shoot in the night. So best time for me to shoot is, any time when the sun is hitting correctly from this particular window and it's going to go off in the evening. That is when is the best time for me to shoot. Now, the third thing, what you need to look out for, you may be somebody who loves to have who has the most energy in the mornings, but if you are somebody who looks puffy, is that you? A few of us look a little puffy for the first 1 hour or 2 hours as soon as we wake up. So then that is not the best time. If you look like you've just woken up even after an hour, then that is not the best time for you to shoot. Choose a time when you are, settled in with, looking normal, and then continue to shoot. This is not something you need to overlook or feel silly about. It's okay to look puffy. I have super puffy eyes as well, so I don't shoot the first thing in the morning. Okay. The next element you need to look for is the best time for you to shoot is when there is a little quiet around you. You could be in a home with children, or you could be living near a crowded place which has a lot of traffic sounds. Okay, this is very individualistic. If you are somebody with children, maybe the best time for you is when they go to school or when they take a little nap. If you are next to a crowded place, a traffic zone, maybe the nights will be a little quieter for you, or maybe afternoons will be quieter, maybe early mornings will be a little quieter for you. Then you need to work around the other elements. Okay, you may have to, if you can only shoot in the nights, maybe you have to use an external light and shoot. And yeah, in the earlier point when I said the light source that you use, if you're going to shoot with external lights, you can shoot anytime. You can shoot in the night, you can shoot in the day. It's up to you how you like to do your lighting design, and you can make that work. So the fourth point was when there is quiet around you, because definitely sound matters. You cannot expect a great video where the sound quality is very poor. So definitely that is something you must consider. And the last one is the best time to shoot was yesterday. I mean to say that the best time to shoot is whenever you are ready, and don't wait for too long. Just start recording stuff and you will know. You may make mistakes, you may feel horrible about how you've shot, but it's okay. The more you shoot, you will get better at it. So don't wait too long, don't overthink this, just shoot. It may be of a bad quality video audio, but you'll at least know where you're going wrong, what it is you need to fix. If you're just thinking about it, you're not putting it to practice, you're just going to stay in your head forever. Okay, so these were my thoughts on what is the best time for you to shoot. Of course, if you have a crew coming, then you need to organize along with them. This is more in terms of a solo creator. How can a solo creator make the most of the day and what is the best time to shoot. Okay, if you enjoyed this, I want you to comment which aspects you would like to work on, what are your top takeaways, and I'm very happy to know of your journey. Please do share in detail with me. I'm very happy to read it. And if you haven't subscribed yet already, and before I forget, there is a PDF, downloadable PDF that I am sharing in the description box. Do check that out. That is definitely going to help you to get more confident on camera. And if there is any other PDF, I'll share that as well. There is a Facebook group as well, that if you would like to be connected with a community where I am helping with the tools and techniques, and it's a very small community of folks who are genuinely interested in making videos. Please feel free to hop on there. I would be very happy to take you in there. There are a few questions that you must answer, please, so that I can help you better. Okay, I'll see you there. Thank you so much. Bye.